Hello everyone, I am Priyanka Verma. In this video, we are going to study straight chain structures of monosaccharides. Straight chain structures are also known as Fischer projection formula. Monosaccharide shows optical isomerism. The presence of asymmetric carbon atom in this structure make possible the formation of isomers in them. Asymmetric carbon is the carbon atom to which 4 different atoms or groups are attached. For example, this is an asymmetric carbon atom to which different groups or atoms are attached. When OH is present on the right side of asymmetric carbon atom, then it is D isomer. When OH is present on the left side of asymmetric carbon atom, then it is an L isomer. In case of more than one asymmetric carbon atom, the designation of sugar isomer as D or L form is determined by the position of OH on asymmetric carbon atom farthest to the functional group. This is an asymmetric carbon atom farthest from functional group. When OH is present on the right side of such asymmetric carbon atom, then it is a D isomer. When OH is present on asymmetric carbon atom which is farthest from the functional group, then it is designated as L isomer. These are the examples we are going to see under aldoses: glycerose, erythrose, ribose, glucose. Under ketosis: dihydroxyacetone, erythrulose, ribulose, fructose. First example is glycerose, which is an aldotriose. It has 3 carbon atoms in the structure, and when OH is present on the right side of asymmetric carbon, which is carbon number 2, then it is D-glycerose. When OH is present on asymmetric carbon atom on the left side, then it is L-glycerose. Under ketose, the example is DHA, which is ketotriose. It has 3 carbon atoms in the structure. It doesn't have any asymmetric carbon atom in the structure, so there is no D or L form of DHA. Next structure is of erythrose, which is an aldotetrose. It is 4 carbon compound with aldehyde as a functional group. When OH is present on the right side of the asymmetric carbon atom, which is 3rd carbon, then it is D-erythrose. When the OH is present on the carbon atom asymmetric, then it is L-erythrose. In erythrose, all the OH are on the same side and all the H are on the same side. Next example is erythrulose. It is an ketotetrose, 4 carbon compound. The 3rd carbon is the asymmetric carbon atom which has OH on the right side, then it is D-erythrulose. When OH is on the left side of 3rd carbon atom, then it is L-erythrose. So the structure is CH2OH, keto as a functional group, 3rd carbon OH on the left side, 4th carbon CH2OH, then it is L-erythrulose. Next example is of aldopentose, ribose. It is 5 carbon compound. The asymmetric carbon is the 4th carbon atom. The OH is present on the right side of the carbon atom, then it is D-ribose. When OH is present on the 4th carbon asymmetric carbon atom which is farthest from the functional group, then it is L-ribose. So here is the structure: CHO aldehyde group, 2nd carbon HOH, 3rd carbon HOH, 4th carbon HOH, 5th CH2OH. L-ribose structure: CHO as a functional group aldehyde, OHH, 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 CH2OH, L-ribose. Next example is ketopentose, ribulose. It is 5 carbon compound with ketone as a functional group, asymmetric carbon atom, 4th carbon atom. OH is present on the right side, then D-ribulose. When OH is present on the left side, it is L-ribulose. So the structure is D-ribose structure is CH2OH, C double bond O, HOH, HOH, CH2OH. Structure of L-ribulose, CH2OH, then third carbon OHH, fourth carbon OHH, fifth carbon CH2OH. Next example is of aldohexose, 6 carbon compound glucose with aldehyde as functional group, and fifth carbon, the asymmetric carbon which is farthest from the functional group. When OH is present on the right side, it is G-glucose. When OH is present on the left side, it is L-glucose. So the structure is aldehyde as functional group, HOH, and on the third carbon there is OHH, fourth carbon HOH, fifth carbon HOH, CH2OH. L-glucose structure is aldehyde as functional group, then OHH, HOH, OHH, OHH, CH2OH. The last structure of this video, fructose, which is an ketohexose with functional group C double bond O keto group, and it is 6 carbon compound with fifth carbon, the farthest asymmetric carbon atom from the functional group. When OH is on the right side of this carbon, then it is D-fructose structure. When OH is on the left side of this asymmetric carbon atom farthest from the functional group, then it is the structure of L-fructose. So D-fructose structure is CH2OH, C double bond O, OHH, HOH, HOH, CH2OH. Structure of L-fructose is CH2OH, C double bond O, HOH, OHH, OHH, CH2OH. The expected question on this topic are: what are carbohydrates? Explain chemical structure of different aldose sugars studied by you. What are carbohydrates? Explain chemical structure of different ketose sugars studied by you. Define monosaccharide. Describe the structure of any two monosaccharides. Thank you for watching.